Girls, this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your what is coming next for this week. Charms reading, yes, friends. It is a charms reading. It is for the week of 15 to the 22nd of the August. Yes, friends, it is for the week that's coming ahead. So make sure to subscribe our channel Magic Vans Tarot, like this video. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed our channel. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. And friends, this is a timeless reading, even though it is for this week, coming week. But whenever you can come back again and watch it anytime, and it will still resonate with you. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And friends, keep in mind this is for the future, so you will have to come back to see if it's resonating. And don't be so quick to say it's not going to happen, because I feel it's going, more or less, it's going to happen, the energies. And do join our new channel Magic Vans Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps of the comment section. So friends, let's take a deep breath, relax, take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, the beautiful cherries. Nice. Option number 2, banana. Yummy fruits. Today the options are option number 3, strawberry. Nice and very red strawberries. So friends, take a deep breath and relax and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, so you can directly go to the comment section and skip to the number you have chosen. You can also choose more than one pile. That's okay, perfectly. So let's see. For those who have chosen, option number 1, let's see how this week will be for the week of 15 to the 22nd of August. How this week will be and what will happen. We'll also take a look at the charms, friends. So for those who chose option 1, let's see. This is your advice. These are things you need to work on. Let's see first your tarot cards. Oh my god, starting is 5 of Swords. Interesting. Oh my god, Judgment. Oh my god. I was thinking it's going to be a very sweet pile because you choose cherries, but I see it's going to be very power packed. The King of Rods, the Queen of Swords, the 10 of Cups, and the Page of Rods. Very interesting. Friends, I feel like you are struggling with I feel like currently or even this week you will be thinking mostly about people who have hurt you, people who have left you. I see that someone has hurted you, left you, and someone has really let you down. I also feel there could be some politics or like theft, I don't know how to say this. I feel it's energy, this energy is both in love and work. So you could be struggling at dealing with people who are dishonest or who are not revealing their true intentions, true feelings. You may also be feeling a little like people are working behind your back. I also feel in love this has already happened. Someone has hurted you and someone has ghosted you, someone has left you. But I see you coming out of all those things. Judgment is here, so you are going to get your justice. You are going to get your power back this week, friends. Congratulations. I see you have been through a lot. Trust me. This is like you have been through a lot of issues, a lot of trust broken, especially even not just in love, but I feel it's also in your work. You may be feeling office politics or something like that. Even in family, you feel people are not understanding you, or people are sorry to start this reading this way, but this is what I feel right now. You know, we say the truth, Magic Wednesday. I feel this is the past energy. This has already happened for most of you. Some of you may also be feeling like in a marriage, also, like some truths are hidden, something is not clear, someone is lying, cheating, or something like that. But I feel justice is going to come your way. The secrets which were hidden to you are going to be revealed this week, and that's a congratulations. A lot will be happening astrologically because we have this Uranus retrograde moving into Taurus, which will bring you new insights and about money, finances, and new moon will be going into Leo. That will be, and you have like two Leo cards here, so you are going to be very passionate and very bold. And Sun will be moving into Virgo, and Mercury will also be moving later in this week into Virgos. So happy birthday, Virgos. I feel this week family is very important to you. What is family? Who is family? What makes you happy? And some of you, if you are single, you want a family, you want marriage, or something regarding family is very important this week for you. And some of you are also looking for a life partner, or some of you are thinking, if you are already married, you are thinking more deeply about your marriage, about your relationships. I feel some of you could be dealing with legal issues regarding family, inheritances, money, and marriage, perhaps, or custody, or maybe foreign travel, some issues regarding that. But you are going to get your victory, you are going to get your justice. Yay! And friends, you could be you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person this week, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So both of these people could be important, or you could be an Aries, Leo, Sag, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel, friends, there can be someone new entering your life, or some younger person is coming towards you, especially in love if you are single. Some new people are coming your way. This week is like cherries, is about friendships, get togethers, spending time with family, with friends. And sorry about the, if you can hear the dogs, can't help it, they are my neighbors and they love to talk, I guess. So let's see. And I feel, friends, this is the week when, if you are really single, you could be connecting with someone new, and or someone new could be coming your way. And I also feel this person could be younger than you, and they might be very passionate, very bold. They could be connecting with you through work, through online, through social media. I also feel someone from your past is also returning back, or you will get some news, some information, something hidden about your past in relationships will be revealed this week. You will get some justice. If you are, I feel like if you are with a twin flame, you are going to get some clarity on that relationship regarding your twin flame. So it is going to be a lot of excitement and ambition. You are going to be very focused, very clear on what you want, how you want things. You are not going to settle for less. You are not going to settle for less. In love and relationships, I feel clarity is coming towards you. Your power is coming towards you. If someone has hurted you, you will get your freedom from them. Also, I feel you will also get someone new and much better than them. It could be a soulmate, it could be a life partner, it could be someone coming back to say sorry to you. I also feel some sort of healing will happen in the family. I see that family issues are happening perhaps, so you will get some family justice, some family happiness. Maybe a get together in the family is going to happen, so you're gonna enjoy this week, but you will be very powerful. I also feel at work there can be ego issues, friends. I have to say this because you are very ambitious, you are very bold this week, and you know what you want. Your ambition is super high, and if someone is not treating you right at work, like someone is behaving like this, you are going to tell them. You are going to be honest about it. And some people, your boss, etc., may not like it, but I think you will get the justice in the end. Some of you may be leaving a toxic job, or a job which is no more working for you. I see that some of you could be able to travel this week, or you will. I don't know why. I see that either you are traveling or someone is coming towards you regarding work and career. I also feel some of you are in very difficult situations regarding job. Like you are very ambitious, you want to grow, you want to expand, but like you feel restricted in life, you feel restricted in your work or career. But friends, it is going to heal. It is going to change this week, or at least some relief is going to come your way. If you are a student, I see a lot of news coming regarding exams, dates, messages, new career options also opening. And I see that you are very passionate with your career, with education. I see you also working with art, with colors, with craft. I see you working with colors. So some of you could be making something colorful, something with drawing, painting. It's going to be exciting. You're very focused. Your focus is super high. Let's see your extra cards also. Shame, divine healers, and business. Wow, the Venus card is here. This is beautiful. I see like someone has really hurted you. Trust me. Oh, someone has hurted you. Maybe there is a third party issue going on, or someone hurted you in the past. They put you in a third party or left you for someone else. You feel sorry. You are still affected by that situation. If it has not happened, I'm sorry to say that, friends, it may happen this week. Like some information will come, because I see three hearts here, so there may be a third party going on. Some truths may come out this week. But for most of you, 90% of you, it has already happened, but you are going to get clarity or relief from that situation. It is both in work and love. I also feel some of you could be starting your own businesses, working on that, or working or finding new ideas for businesses. I see writing, journaling, teaching are all extremely good ideas for you. Starting a food business also, because I see you dealing with colors, so maybe chocolates, pastry, food is also a very good idea for business for you this week. I also see that some of you could be taking more care of your body, your hair. I see some of you are really neglecting your health, your hair, your sleeping, etc. So this week, try to sleep or take care of your hair, your health, because you have the Venus. So you will be extra careful and extra loving towards yourself. We will be pulling the charm, so don't worry about it. I definitely see messages coming your way, a lot of messages, and you finding the happiness and relief, you finding freedom from something which is not, which was shameful or hurtful for you. You will find freedom from that situation. Let's see your advice for this week, then we'll look at the charms. Wow, hold your vision, fixed moon. This is perfect, friends. This is perfect. I would say make long-term plans this week, friends. Make very, very long-term plans. This is a time to focus on the next, maybe for now till the next year, or maybe your 5 years plan. It is time. If you already have a dream or a goal or a relationship you are working on, keep manifesting it. Keep your passion, your motivation high. You are going to get it. So keep your motivation high. Whatever you want, you can achieve it. It's in your. You have already done the work. You see, half moon is here. You have already done the work. Now you are a little discouraged because there are some difficulties. But friends, hold your vision. Keep going. You are on the right path. Let's see your charms, friends. Let's see your charms now for this week. And friends, this can happen in the future because the week has not yet started. I'm early with the reading. Option number one. But for most of you, I see the energy is already there. For option number one, how this week will be. Oh wow. I see faith coming. Look at this. That's beautiful. And look at this. I can see some. Look at this, friends. Please take care of your health. Maybe some of you are neglecting your health, your fitness. So take care, or I see you at least, some of you will be taking care of your health no matter what. I see you investing more time in that, more of your beauty. Look at this. The butterfly charm is stuck in which charm? In the S. Ooh, so someone with an S name is important. Uh, so yeah, and there is this butterfly, and maybe the sun. This reminds me of the sun also. The sun, the sun, the solar planet sun. So your words are SAPLDW and M. Wow. I don't know if you can make any words. Mad, probably you can make. Mad. I think you can make the word mad. So I think someone is madly in love with you, or you loved someone madly, but that situation might not be working right now. But because your focus needs to be on your work and career, yourself, your priorities should be if you are, I think you are madly in love with someone, friends. You have done, invested a lot on that relationship or friendship or marriage or your career also. But I think it is time this week, keep yourself forward, keep yourself a priority. So SWPMAD and L are your initials. The boot is here. I feel money issues are there. Some of you are struggling to get the right payment or business clients, or some of you are struggling like the job is not coming for you. Friends, keep your hope, hold your vision. Friends, hold your vision. Money is coming. This is a clear proof that money is coming. Butterfly is like positive changes coming your way. You also have the car, so someone could be coming towards you. I also feel messages and important news and revelations are coming your way. I also feel some of you could be, you have a dream to buy a car. You have some big dreams. Or if you don't have any big dreams, it is time to set some new dreams, because hold your vision. It is time to set some new dreams. And let's see what else. You also have the apple charm. So if you are facing some health issues, I see you recovering or finding the right doctors or right people to help you out. So yeah, that is there. And this is the dark night. So some things are in the dark. Some things are in the dark that will be revealed to you. Some things are confusing you, hurting you, but you will recover from them. And let's see the number. You have the number 999. So September might be important for you. I think it's the 666. So 666 is important. So June and September might be important. You also have the loving heart. So definitely a twin flame relationship is important, or someone loves you very, very much. It is the week to take care of your heart, friends. Absolutely. Do take care of your heart. Positive changes are coming your way. You also have the winged heart. Oh my God, angels are with you, with your relationships, and also supporting you in your career. Someone is very attached to you, friends. Look at this. Someone is madly in love with you. I do see that person coming, or some information coming your way. And look at this, you also have another heart, a silver heart. That's absolutely twin flame energy, the gold and the white hearts, twin flame. Uh, and also the pink hat. I think you will be very bold this week, so be kind to your body. I see that, you I see that there is this shame card. So some of you feel like unhappy with your body or with your situation in life, with the hurt that has happened. Someone will offer you healing, friends. Someone will offer you love or healing, some friend. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Some messages are coming your way, friends. You have the cell phone. Oh my God, you could be telling someone you love them, or they could be telling you they love you. I also said earlier also, messages are coming, important messages. And the elephant is here, the baby elephant. Elephants are about, baby elephants are about happiness, joy, enjoying the life, in the present moment. And owl, I see that you will be learning something new. I see that you will be learning something new, you will be become excellent, a very good leader at something. I also feel watch your intuition, because if you feel someone is coming or someone is going to call you, yes, they are. I also feel like if you feel like you should study that subject or go somewhere about or take that new job, follow your intuition, friends. Your intuition is correct this week. Keep the faith, friends. Faith is here. Keep your faith strong. You are very close to a victory. Five of Wands, a lot of conflict. I do see you like there are arguments, like arguments have happened in the past or are still happening in a relationship or with family members, or with a twin flame or a lover, ex-husband, wife. There are conflicts happening, but I see you should keep your faith. Seven of Years, yes, someone has hurted you, someone has hurted you badly, but forgive yourself, because it is a past life thing. It has to happen. It has a spiritual lesson, because you have the Judgment. So something that hurted you was something that was meant to happen. Sorry to say that, but yeah, some things have to happen. Maybe not for your learning, but for the other person's growing up, or for your growing up. It was a past life thing that has to happen, but good things are coming your way. Someone, if you are single, I feel someone very new is coming. They could meet you online, through online dating or through matrimony sites, etc. It will be a divine connection. So friends, that's it for pile number one. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if you enjoyed this reading. And friends, make sure to join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, the bananas, I'm going bananas over you. Yes friends, let's see how this week will be for you for the week of 15 to the 22nd of August or 23rd of August. Let's see what will happen. This is your advice for this week. This is quite a cute card. I love the eyes on it. Let's see your tarot cards. This is a charms reading. I'll pull the charms also. Wow, great start. Wheel of Fortune. Oh wow, 10 of Pentacles, money, the Emperor, the Page of Pentacles, the 5 of Cups, the 9 of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Wow friends, this is a great week for you, absolutely. I see that, right now you may not be feeling very happy. You feel a little sad, a little lazy, a little too much focused on the past. I feel a little emotional. I feel like you're a little emotional right now, friends, when you are watching this reading, or you were recently a little emotional. You're missing someone, missing some opportunity, maybe missing a person, a friend, a friendship. I also see, friends, some of you could be dealing with anxiety issues, or some of you are extremely worried about some situation in your life. For most of you, I feel it is money and career. For others of you, I feel it is a love situation you are very worried about. I feel if you are a parent already, if you have kids, you are worried about your children. Maybe their marriage, or maybe you are worried about whether they will find work because of the world challenges. You are worried about that. But I see, friends, you are definitely going to get a relief in this week, friends. Yes, the new moon will in the Leo will be very helpful for you. You are going to find some positive changes, some relief, or some forward movement in life. I feel some of you are feeling that life is very usual, it is boring. Oh, sorry, friends. It's boring, and it's like, it's like very random. Or how do I say this? You feel like life is the same. Every day feels the same for you now. But this week, some excitement is going to come your way. Something will move forward, something will give you relief, some happiness, some joy. I see that a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, Or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be missing you or thinking about you this week. You could also be thinking about them. I definitely see there is someone who wants a family with you, who wants you back. They want to keep you to themselves and they want to build a family, but they are not sharing their emotions, they are not sharing their love. There could be age difference between you and this person. But I see some positive developments or start or some sort of a pace, at least forward movement happening. I also feel like if you are waiting for a past person, there is a chance someone new can sweep you off your feet without you even knowing it. Look at this. You are not even waiting for a new person or looking, but there is this new person coming your way and they are going to sweep you off your feet in love. This new person could be your boss, this person could be your colleague, or they are a very sure person. They are younger. They are your age, I feel, not younger. They are your age. They are ambitious. They are a leader, and they will just take you off your feet without you even realizing. I feel overall this is an emotional week for you, and you want happiness and love, and it is going to come your way. Absolutely. If you are married, I see your focus will be on building financial security or traveling with your partner or husband. Maybe some of you are facing issues like, or maybe your father or someone young in the family is, you will travel to meet them or they may come to your place. So I see a lot of family traveling, get together, not like get together, but you meeting for some reason, some work, some money issues. You could be meeting your father-in-laws or your brother-in-laws, someone younger or someone older. I also feel you feel a little disappointed, but I see you getting out of it and moving into this energy of, yeah, I can achieve whatever I want. So you will be feeling very happy. In your work, I see that you are unhappy because the job is not there, the right job is not there. Some of you are just tired of giving exams and not getting that job or that good result or that admission. Some of you are some of you feel you are unlucky at work or in money. But I see that new relief coming your way, friends. Someone is going to help you out this week. You need to stay careful because, or you need to stay ready to accept their help because a boss, a colleague, a past co-worker can help you out. They can suggest you some new thing about your career, about money. So make sure to grab and work on those new. Make sure to accept the help that is coming your way. I also see you that you could be very ambitious regarding your work. You may want to try too much at work, or you will be more focused about money, about your power, your prestige in life. Sorry for the dogs, friends. I feel this week you may feel very ambitious. You are feeling very work oriented. Your focus is on work, on achieving more stability, or working with family, or starting or joining a family business, or with friends starting something new. So you work is on your mind, your career, your ambition is on your mind. You may feel a lot of ambition, a lot of leadership. You want to lead, you want to take charge in your work. If you're a student, I see you could face some issues with your father or your family, mother, or your teachers also, because you want to change your course, you want to change your field, you want to go into fashion designing or management, or something creative like arts, media, writing, publishing, fashion, maybe those areas, but you feel like you can't because you are not given the support. So it may worry you if you are a student. Also, I feel you want to go abroad, or you were planning earlier to go abroad, but because of the world situation, you are a little unhappy. But friends, I see some sort of a relief coming your way, some positive news, some positive changes coming, which will help you feel happy, which will help you feel like, yeah, finally things are going my way. Let's see the other cards. Creativity, creativity guide. So yes, absolutely, you will spend more time listening music, creating some music, painting, exercising, joining some Zumba class or something. Maybe you'll start this as a business, who knows? Self control, your higher self. Wow. I think someone really likes you and they are not telling you. They could be or someone you work with, or someone who hasn't a lot of age difference, or someone who is very younger. This person likes you but they are not telling you. There is a chance you will get to know the real truth this week. We'll see with the charms also, but I do feel someone likes you but they are controlling their feelings, and this person is at a long distance from you. I also feel you need to keep a little bit of self control this week, because I see you drinking a lot or eating a lot, you know. So go easy on your food, or also becoming a workaholic. So go easy, you know. You may drink a lot of cola or something, and it's not very healthy. Too much of anything is never healthy. So little self control is necessary. Also, you may see life a little from money point of view. Like you want money, you want success, you want that big car, that big house, or your husband or wife, your lover wants that. So you may feel you need to keep your patience, friends. You need to keep your patience a little this week. And let's see your advice. Your commitment is being tested, first quarter moon. Yeah, I definitely feel, friends, these letdowns, this sadness is affecting you from believing that something new is coming your way. You don't believe that something can change and some positive news can come your way. I also feel someone can test your patience, your commitment is being tested. There is a long distance relationship, or a relationship is like testing you. There is no contact, there is no communication, but you want to talk to them. You have tried to talk this to this person, but they are not saying anything. Also, if you are a parent, you may lose your anger or your patience with a child. So make sure to stay calm, friends. Self control is necessary. Some things are just, you are being tested only because better things are coming your way. Things are about to change. You do not have to wait for eternity. You know what I mean? So don't give up. You're doing great. You are the emperor. Let's see your charms. Option number two. For option number two, how this week will be. Option number two. I see some of you could be traveling also, like you just are a little. You don't want restrictions this week, trust me. If someone tries to put you in any restriction, like don't go there, don't do this, you are going to get frustrated, friends. So be a little patient. I know it's tough, but yeah. X, oh my god, some of you could be dealing with an X this week. There is T, there is N, there is J, there is NFJ, there is A, there is E, there is L. Wow, lots of letters for you. There is I, and there is G. Wow. So, can you make any words? Line, Line. So, maybe some text messages, or someone has some, line is also like boundaries. If anyone tell you don't do this, you're gonna feel restricted. You want to just fly. You are like a butterfly this week. You want to fly. You want to explore new things in life. You want freedom. You want freedom. You want happiness. It is coming, friends. It's coming. Just some patience is necessary. Any other word? Annie can be a name for some of you. Annie, Tanny, X is also there, so someone from your past is on your mind, or you are on your past person's mind, you know, your lover's mind. So the alphabets are A, E, L, I, G, T, N, F, and G. Wow. You again have this apple. Pile 1 also had it, and we have the theme of this week is also fruits. So I feel, friends, you need to stay balanced and in self control, because I see you drinking more colas, chocolates, teas, you know, like coffee. So you could like go into extremes. So just eat healthy, get some fiber, and this is like the commitment being tested. Trust yourself, friends. Believe in your strength. You are stronger than you know. I also feel you could be worried about health of a family member, maybe a young child, or maybe someone old. So you are worried about health of a parent, or you need some news regarding some parents' health, or someone's health is there this week. Again, there is this heart. So yeah, I think you are missing someone, and that someone is also missing you. So don't worry, everyone is thinking about you, so you don't need to worry about it. There is this ship, so someone from army, navy, administration, or merchant navy, or traveler is important to you. Long, or maybe other countries which outside, you know, outside countries, USA, UK, or other countries. Ports are important to you this week. Some of you like could be wanting to long distance education is also important. News coming from long distance education. Six of coins. And look at this charm, look at this. This is a baby charm, this is a baby boy. This is also a joker charm, if you can see it. It's like a happy little boy. So some of you, the issue could be about pregnancies, expanding your family. And some of you, for others of you, I feel this is like keeping your inner child happy. Enjoy in creativity, dance, music, have some fun. And I also feel someone is behaving a little childishly, but they love you. It could be an ex. And this is the iron. So I feel like this is like you just want perfection. You want things to be right. You don't want this disappointment. You don't want this restrictions. So you will be like, please, you know, like someone, please remove these wrinkles in my life, these problems. You want to fix things, problems being fixed. Six of coins. Definitely, friends, positive karma is coming your way. Your hard work in the past will pay off now. And you also have the wheel of fortune. So yes, your past hard work will be rewarded. Your patience will be rewarded. I was thinking, you know, when I touched the six of coins, I felt like six of cups is here, or this is six of cups. And look, the cards, the six of cups, a soulmate. Yes, a soulmate is important to you, and maybe they are a little boy or a little girl, or they are like very innocent and cute, but they are testing your patience. So that could be there. Money. I think your love life is being affected by money issues. Maybe your person is they can't be with you because of career, money, or long distance, but money is affecting you. Money is also coming your way. Saturn is there, so definitely, friends, wheel of fortune is here, Saturn is here, and so definitely there is a new moon also happening this week. So friends, definitely karmic rewards are coming your way. The Queen of Cups, the Queen of Cups is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Venus, and Venus is about beauty, Venus is about happiness, Venus is about creativity. See, so I think you will be focusing on find the good what's that word for it. Look at the brighter side. Look at the brighter side of things, Sage. You are very wise. A spiritual person or someone will help you this week. Say yes, friends, say yes. Maybe you'll visit our channel more this week because you have the Sage. So maybe you will gain some important information from our channel, Magic Vents Tarot. That could also happen. Four of Cups. You are a little unhappy, friends, because you are waiting and things are not moving forward. But no, it is only your test. It is only your test because Saturn is here, and your commitment is being tested. You are just being tested. It's nothing to worry about. The stronger you hold, the better it will be. So friends, that is it for now. Let me know if you can make any words from these letters. Let me know that in the comments. That's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. Chose option number 3, these beautiful strawberries, delicious strawberries. Let us see what will happen this week for you. It is a charms reading. This is your advice card, friends. And let's see your tarot cards first, and then we'll look at these extra cards. How this week from 15th to 22nd of August will be. Wow, the 3 of Cups, celebrations. The Temperance, very nice. Balance, my God, the 4 of Wands. Oh no, oh no. The 3 of Swords. Okay, let's see. Oops. The Hanged Man, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Death. Ooh. Strong energies, friends, strong energies. I see this is a very important week for you, friends, because there is the 3 major arcanas, a new beginning, a transformation card. So yes, things are going to change majorly or in a very big way for you this week. I see like some of you right now are very hurt or very upset. Maybe someone has hurted you, someone has left you, they have done marriage or they have moved with another person. But whatever, but they have left you. It could be a twin flame, it could be a husband or a wife, it could be a lover, a friendship. Someone has hurt you, you are not happy. You feel like life is stuck, you are stuck in this, you feel a little like you do not have the power to change things in your life right now. You feel stuck. You feel like you can't do anything much right now to change things. But I tell you, good news is, this is these heartache, these wait, I'm waiting for things to come my way. That energy is going to shift. Look at this transformation. Very big changes are coming your way, friends. I feel they are destined, and these changes will be longer than this week. So they will be like life-changing things happening to you, and all are destined for you. I feel some of you have your birthdays this week, so definitely you could be an earth sign. I feel your birthdays there, so happy birthday. And I see you celebrating and enjoying with friends and getting together with them after a long time. I also see you spending more time with your cousins, or a friend that has lost on the way is coming back. You know, a friend coming back to you, reconnecting with you. I also feel you want some new friendships in life, because you feel the people you are with, they are not understanding you or they are hurting you. You are alone. You want some new friendships. I feel it's coming your way. New friendships are coming your way, and there is definitely a chance of a social gathering, maybe a marriage, a wedding or party coming happening for you. I feel in love you could be dealing with a twin flame relationship. Some of you are hurt that a person has left you in between. You are not ready. Maybe you wanted to marry this person, but things are not moving. But relief will come and some new start will come, maybe with another person, or maybe right now. I do not see you dating this week or very much focused on love this week, like, you know, on finding a new person this week. But you will be getting new friendships, old friends coming back to you, people from your past trying to apologize or trying to message you, sorry. But you'll be very calm about it. You are like, see, I have been there, I have done that, I'm relaxed, I will take it one by one, day by day. You are not in a rush. Someone wants a new beginning with you. It could be a new crush, new lover. Also, it could be a twin flame. Also, someone from your family can be introduced to you for marriage, etc. So, there is a lot happening this week. Big changes, big changes. I also feel like if you are already married, you will have to work a little to balance your relationship, because I see like there can be like you are changing homes, or someone from the outside can affect your marriage or relationship if you are already in a relationship. So be careful about that. I see you. This week is about friendships, you know. This week is you focusing more on friendships, building connections, making things stronger. If we talk about work and career, I see you're unhappy with your work. I see you are not at all connected with your work, or you feel like, nah, this is just so slow. My life is going so slow. What do I do? Angels assure you that happiness is coming your way, some joint venture, some sort of a celebration or victories coming your way. I see some sort of payments also coming your way. Maybe you will get a new job, or maybe some money that was yours is coming towards you. I also see that you will invest your money somewhere this week. Like you want to invest your money, or you want to double your money, so you will work on that. You will develop more creative skills, or you will learn something new which will make you help you to make more money. So that is also there. If you are a student, I see uh, you are waiting for your freshers or your farewell. I feel it's coming your way. You will be having a good time, if not a very big party, but at least two or three of you connecting, meeting, and having a good time. It will bring you a lot of fun and peace. I feel if you are a student, you may suddenly decide, like, no, I don't want to stay in this job, I don't want to stay in this field, I will change it. And or you could be like graduating and moving out into a new job, or finishing high school, moving into colleges. So that is also there, some changes there, some money coming your way, you moving towards money. I do not see money coming, I see you moving towards money, opportunities that bring money, work that brings money. Friends, I feel this will be a very busy week for you, and that is the only drawback I'm seeing. You will have to find some time to take some pause and relax, because I see a lot is happening. You will be heartbroken, you are crying over someone, but then there are new things in work, then there is friends, then there is family, then there are these changes coming. So you are a little all over the place. So take some time to relax. It's vital. It's important. Devotion. See, and this is the same card. Wow, this is beautiful. Nature spirit. Someone is very devoted to you. I feel you are also very devoted, friends. Definitely, your devotion, your hard work will be paid off. I feel you had been very loving and supportive to a person in the past. Maybe that person will apologize, or they want to restart with you. I also feel uh, if you are working with a lot of devotion in your work and career, money will be yours. Money is coming. Pleasure, divine goddess. Wow, this week it's all about fun. It's all about fun, connections, joy, feminine qualities, it is all about that. Pleasure is a big part this week, because strawberries are also like, they are like fun fruits. They are fun. I also feel like right now you feel like what you are giving, are not receiving. You're giving something, but you are not receiving it back. Maybe love, maybe work, maybe money. You feel like you are working hard, but money is not coming. You are loving, but the right partnership is not there. But I think it is going to change. Something is going to happen which will be yours, and nurturing people are going to support you. Like, You giving, they giving, you giving, they giving. So everyone supporting each other. Let's see your advice for this week. Believe in the impossible. Wow, what a beautiful card. Blue moon. Friends, I see that something impossible which you believe won't ever happen for you, it's going to happen, friends. Yes, you need to trust because you have the temperance. You need to trust. This is already there. This new start, whatever you feel is impossible. I think for some of you it could be marriage. You feel like, nah, we won't get married ever. Or it could be, we won't meet our twin flame, nah. We won't get that job, nah. We won't get that money, nah. I think, friends, believe is a big word here. Believe in the impossible. The word impossible says, I am possible. So yes, and enjoy, friends, enjoy. You deserve it. Don't focus on the past. Enjoy things which are happening right now. Let's see your charms. Let's see your charms, friends. For option number 3, how this week will be. Oopsie. Wow, oh my god. Did you see? Oh my god, strawberry and a strawberry, good lord. And there are a huge charms, friends, so many charms, and I don't see because the bag is like covered. I can only put my hand, I can't see what is inside. Whew. Strawberry and strawberry. Friends, focus on happiness. This is a happy week. Believe in the impossible. Look at the signs coming your way. Wow, this is amazing. This has never happened like this, you know. And look at this. You have number 14 on the cap, on a hat. What is this? Let me just... Wow. Number 14 stuck on a hat, on a lady's hat. Wow. Let me just keep it here for now. Okay, let's see. Let's see your letters. S, N, K, G, and E. Wow, sneak. I don't know if you can make any words. And yeah, S, N, K, G, and E are the important letters or words for you, alphabets. Blue is about, believing in the impossible. Believe that you know what you can achieve, whatever you want. Believe in the impossible. Blue is also about knowledge. It is also about learning. And it is also about keeping your peace, you know. Blue is like peace. You also have this happy smiley friend smile. I know you have been through a lot, but don't let it affect you. This is your week to smile and feel happy and loved. And let's see your numbers. Number 14 is here and number 444. So I told you angels are with you. Temperance is here, and believe in the impossible. Destined things will happen for you, friends. You also have the pearl charm. So definitely something which is very close to your heart, a dream or a wish, is going to come true. Wow, save the date. I see, don't forget to save. So I see like you will be saving some money. I told you you could be investing, or someone could be getting married. You could be getting a wedding invitation, or you could be getting a birthday celebration. So that is also there. Let's see. You also have this moon bead. So changes, you know, moon is like about changes, transformations, things changing positively for you, you stepping out of the hurt and pain and moving into this 3 of Cups. Beautiful. I also see this hat is about love, some affection, love, happiness, pleasure, you getting ready for a function or buying some new clothes just to make yourself happy, or doing something that makes you happy. That's important. The peacock is here. Oh my god, people are really going to notice you, friends. And people are really going to notice your beauty, your how do I say, your nature, your beauty, your joy, and you're very passionate. Maybe you have a crush on someone. Strawberry is here. Maybe they also have a crush on you. Both are strawberries. Passion is high this week. And look at this, the lantern. My God, friends. Some things are going to come to light. Believe in the impossible. Believe some things which are hidden, which are changing. There is light at the end of this tunnel. We also have the bicycle. Things are shifting for you, friends, very positively, but a little slowly, but it's necessary. Things are slowly shifting, but they are shifting absolutely. Also, be slow this week, friends. You want to go like, a power bike, zoom, room, room on this week, like you want fast things, but angel says, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Even a bike is also moving ahead. As long as you are moving ahead, it doesn't matter what speed. News, messages are coming, the trumpet is here, important messages are coming. The time, everything is a matter of time. You may feel time is running out for marriage, time is running out to expand your family, or time is running out in some way, but you are right on time. Don't worry, friends. I also see some gift could be coming, a watch, or you may have some issues with the watch. You may have to buy a watch. The rose, wow, someone could be proposing you, or you might be proposing someone, friends. Yes, that is very, very, very highlighted. Someone proposing you. There is this feather, divine signs are coming, your friends, coming for you. Look at this, such a big one. It's a big, huge feather actually. And look at this. Believe in the impossible. Oh my God, I have never seen my charms, that's for sure. Look at this. This is an umbrella. Oh my God. Friends, you could be going out for a party or something, or umbrellas is also about protection. You are very protected, friends. Do not doubt this week that whether you are protected, whether angels are with you. Yes, I also feel you may be going out on a date, or you may go out on a walk with an umbrella. It's going to be very nice for you. You will enjoy it, or some fond memories of a rainy day is with you. This is about passion, you feeling very passionate. Teapot is there, so things are brewing, boiling for you. Boiling in the sense things are cooking. Something will be revealed. Iron, someone wants to fix things with you. Maybe a old friend will return, or a lover will return. Let's see your cards. My God, I'm tired of speaking. Let's see. Ace of Cups. Yes, yes. New start is here in love, friends. Proposals are coming your way. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. New start. Proposals in love. You proposing, they proposing. A father figure might be important, or your father-in-law, your father, King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You may meet a person who looks like your father, or have their name or their initial or the same birth date. Lover, yes, love is coming your way. Blue is important. Yes, blue is important. It is here also. And I one of coins, one of coins, one of coins. Yes, money is coming, or some relief at your work is coming. Look at this. This has dropped on the table. Time is so important for you this week. Time. Look, there are two time charms. May is also important. Something may have happened in May. And let's see. What is this? Family. Yes, you will be spending some happy times with family. You could be meeting your family. Yellow is Venus is also important. So Venus has come almost in every reading this week. Venus is about family, creativity. This is like pleasure is about being Venus. Taking care of your body, your health, your mind. Four of Cups. You are a little tired of waiting. You feel like you don't want to wait anymore. Mouse is like being happy. Mouse are very happy people, happy beings. They are happy, they are curious, they want to know things. So maybe you'll just make new friends. You will talk more this week, you will share more this week. And the Knight of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you, friends. So my God, lots of chance for you. And that's it for now. And look at this, the strawberry with the strawberry. That was superb. Never seen anything happen like this. So do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.